Hello and welcome to another Voozanoo 4 Framecast. I'm Curtis Broderick from EpiConcepts Framework Group, and today I'll be showing you how to implement the menu system. Normally when you start a new project, you have a user named root with the role admin and the default homepage that looks like this. Of course, you can create different homepages for the different roles and have, for example, a homepage for an admin role like this, or a homepage for a basic role like this. However, these are not real menu systems. These are just buttons on a page. Let's log into a project with the menu system in place. This is the horizontal version. A vertical presentation is also possible. This is my practice project called Triumph. Notice that I have all the functionality that exists on the standard default homepage. You can add your own menu categories and choose from a large range of icons to represent them. You can link to pages in your project or even external resources. And of course, you can turn on and off the various menu categories or items for each different role. Adding the menu system to your project is not difficult at all. In EpiCraft, add a new resource and select the type JavaScript. There'll be at least one model you can use there called Menu. Click on it and you'll see that it adds the data for a standard menu. Getting used to seeing your menu information in JSON, JavaScript object notation, and modifying it is probably the most difficult part of the process. Start by using it as it is. Let's publish our project with this menu. Now when I log in, oh, nothing has changed because I haven't yet enabled any of the options. Let's go to the roles and select admin and enable all of the menu items. This first item, display, will determine if the menu is inactive or active. We'll use the horizontal menu and enable all the menu items. Now when we log in as an administrator, you see that we have access to all the menu items. Let's go back to the roles and create a restricted set of menu items for a basic user. This time we'll use the vertical menu. I'll only select the basic items. That's it. That's how you put in place a standard menu system. There's more documentation on using the menu system at the EpiDocs website here. That's it for me. I'm Curtis Broderick. I'll see you at the next EpiConcept Framecast.